Welcome to Autos Time. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated topics in the auto world, the BMW D350 Bulldozer. Yes, you heard that right, BMW, the renowned luxury car brand, has ventured into the realm of heavy machinery. This unique addition to their lineup redefines what we expect from bulldozers, merging the best of BMW's premium aesthetic with raw power and industrial capability. If you thought construction equipment couldn't have style, the D350 will make you reconsider. The BMW D350 Bulldozer is a stunning blend of luxury design and construction functionality. Right off the bat, it's clear BMW has brought their distinct style to the D350, introducing a sleek black finish that's as polished as any luxury vehicle in their lineup. But it's not just about looks. This bulldozer packs a serious punch under the hood, boasting an impressive 350 horsepower. For those who are familiar with BMW's cars, this power might remind you of the strength and smoothness found in their high-performance engines, only this time applied to something that can plow through anything in its path. At its core, the D350 Bulldozer is a workhorse, capable of tackling the toughest terrain and handling heavy-duty tasks with ease. Equipped with advanced hydraulics and robust components, it's ready for action on construction sites, excavation zones, and any challenging landscapes you can imagine. But unlike traditional bulldozers, the D350 doesn't compromise on comfort or style. Inside, the cab is fitted with premium materials, ergonomic seats, and cutting-edge controls that make operating this machine feel more like driving a luxury SUV than a bulldozer. For operators who spend hours at a time on the job, this elevated level of comfort makes all the difference. BMW has also integrated a host of smart technologies into the D350, ensuring that it meets modern standards for efficiency and safety. From automated controls to assistive steering, the bulldozer is packed with features designed to make the operator's job easier and safer. Advanced sensors help monitor the environment, alerting the driver to any obstacles or potential hazards. These innovations contribute to both productivity and safety, making the D350 a machine that's as intelligent as it is powerful. What's also noteworthy is how BMW's signature design language is carried over into the D350 structure. The iconic BMW kidney grille is subtly embedded into the front, adding a touch of familiarity for brand enthusiasts. The sleek, aerodynamic lines on the bulldozer's body aren't just for show, they actually improve airflow, helping to keep the engine cool even under heavy workloads. The black paint finish, combined with polished metal accents, gives the D350 a bold, high-end look that's unique in the world of construction equipment. Beyond just aesthetics, the BMW D350 is built to perform with unmatched resilience. Its undercarriage is reinforced to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring durability even in the roughest settings. The powerful 350 horsepower engine provides more than enough force to move large amounts of earth, gravel, or debris, making it ideal for major construction projects. Plus, its massive all-terrain tires are specially designed to maintain grip and stability across uneven surfaces, which is crucial for operating in challenging environments. But let's talk about why BMW would even venture into this field. It's a bold move for a luxury brand known for sports cars and SUVs to develop a bulldozer. However, this isn't just a gimmick. BMW is signaling a commitment to innovation and versatility, showing that they can apply their engineering excellence to more than just consumer vehicles. By introducing a high-end bulldozer, BMW is catering to industries that demand performance and precision, while also setting new standards for comfort and design in the heavy machinery sector. The D350 also has a surprisingly eco-friendly side. BMW has incorporated efficient fuel management systems that reduce emissions, making it more environmentally conscious than traditional bulldozers. This aligns with BMW's ongoing commitment to sustainability, even as they expand into new markets. Whether you're on a construction site or working in remote areas, this bulldozer is designed to minimize its environmental impact without sacrificing performance. Imagine arriving at a work site with a bulldozer that's unmistakably a BMW one that combines the brand's luxurious appeal with rugged functionality. The D350 is designed to stand out, bringing style to the construction world and appealing to those who value both aesthetics and capability. It's the kind of machine that not only gets the job done but also makes a statement. BMW's D350 Bulldozer is more than just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of what happens when luxury meets industrial strength. For those in the construction industry or anyone fascinated by innovative machinery, the D350 offers an exciting glimpse into the future of heavy equipment. With BMW's craftsmanship, intelligent design, and commitment to quality, this bulldozer is ready to redefine what heavy machinery can be. That's it for today's look at the BMW D350 Bulldozer. If you're excited to see how BMW continues to push boundaries, be sure to subscribe to Auto's Time, where we bring you the latest in groundbreaking vehicles and machinery.